Hello there, everybody, and welcome back. I'm Daniel, the all math homework and no math home play makes Daniel a weird boy, Valvo. And today we're talking about one of the great pillars of mathematics. We're not talking about equations, we're not talking about B equations, we're talking about equations. Let's do it. Recall that we said an expression is a mathematical phrase with numbers, variables, and operations, but specifically no equal signs. Well, we don't have to take this anti-equal sign agenda any longer. Enter equations. An equation is a mathematical sentence with an equal sign. If an equation has a variable, we can do what is called solving the equation by finding the value of the variable that would make the mathematical sentence true. So for example, is x equals 8 the solution for the equation x plus 12 equals 20?